Oh, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Shine On Network and Just a Tip. Today we're going to be going over PPF, the difference between satin and gloss today at MPD. This is the satin side, as you can see. We got the B7 Alpina, which was a full satin vehicle already, satin paint, so we went ahead and did this S-Stack Dyno Matte PPF on it. The Gentian Blue Porsche GTS over there, we went ahead and did a gloss to satin conversion, and same thing over here with Felipe's car right now, which is the Boss 302. He's doing a gloss to satin conversion as well. Whenever you guys are looking at PPF, the main factors of it, which is your tip of the day, is that it protects from rock chips, it protects from scratches and swirls, and it protects the originality of your paint, which is super, super, super important. We even went ahead on our shop truck. A rock came and smacked the front of the hood last week. It dented it, but it didn't chip it. So as you guys go over here into the gloss side of the base today, you're gonna see that we have all these vehicles here getting full body paint protection films on them to protect the paint, to protect it from squirrels and scratches, to protect it from rock chips, and even more so, it's to make sure that you have a peace of mind when you're driving your car at high speeds, not over the speed limit. That's your tip, stay under it. But at super high speeds, and make sure that nothing's happening to your car, but it's being protected properly. If you guys have any questions, please reach out. And as always, keep shining.